Welcome to another tutorial, and today we're gonna go over how to do your Bitfinex crypto taxes really fast. We're gonna show you step by step how to create your CSV and also the API. Either way, you can do it in CoinTracking, for example, to create your crypto tax report. So let's dive into the computer. To generate the Bitfinex CSV, you can follow this video, or there's actually a written guide on CoinTracking. If you go to Imports, Quick Access, and then search for Bitfinex, then you will find a written guide how to do the whole thing. We choose CSV import, and then you will see that we have 3 different CSV files we can export. We have the trades, we have the deposits and withdrawals, and we have the ledger file. I'm going to show you just one example, and then you can do it for the rest by your own. Again, here for each section, you will have the written instruction, what you need to do exactly, and then if there are any warnings or settings you have to do, especially, for example, the date setting in Bitfinex. So let's dive into Bitfinex, and we are in our account. All you have to do is go on the top right on your user icon, go down to reports, and you will be on the new website of Bitfinex. And then if you scroll down, you will see your history. You see the ledgers, the movements, the trades. Those are the files you have to download. We do the ledger and select the time frame of the last 2 years. Hit confirm, and then on top right, you will see export. And then again, we need date, month, year, and click export. Then you will get your export to your email. And once you have downloaded that, you will have that in your download folder. And from there on, we can upload it to CoinTracking again. In CoinTracking, we simply click choose file and choose it from our download folder and click upload. And if it's loaded in the software already, then we can go to continue to import. Once done, we will see that we have all the transactions of Bitfinex in here. And if we don't see any errors, then we can hit start import, and we will be greeted with a big green check of Bitfinex import done. And then we can move on to the next step. To do the Bitfinex API, we can do it in a few steps. It's all written down in CoinTracking. If you go to imports, quick access, and then type in Bitfinex, and then if you choose it here, then you will see API import. And here you have a step-by-step written guide how to do the whole thing. Or you just follow this video and then you will have the same effect. So let's go into Bitfinex and create our API. All we have to do is go on our user icon on the top right, go to API keys. Here we have the option to create a new API key. And it is important to know that we only need the get access enabled. There is no edit needed to just pull transactions into CoinTracking, so take care of that. It should be all pre-selected from stock, but it's always better to verify if everything is correctly done. We have to read all access from any IP, and then we just label it as CoinTracking to know for what the API was created for. And then we simply click Generate API Key. Now you have to verify yourself with a 2-factor authentication, and we're gonna pull up our phone here, do the verification really quickly, and then you will get again an email with your API where you have to hit confirm. And then once you hit confirm, you will be redirected to a new site, and you will see your API key and API secret. Those two you will have to copy into CoinTracking, so we will do that really quickly. You have API key. Below you have the API secret, and once you pasted that, then you have some settings here. You can also label it if you want to, and then save this Bitfinex job. This will take about 1 to 3 seconds until the connection is created, and then you will be greeted with a big green check mark. Job is saved. If you scroll down a little bit, then you will see that the job is in progress already, and it will start pulling all the transactions into your account. Once all the transactions are in your account, and please make sure that all the exchange transactions and all the different wallets you used in the past are in your account, and that you validated your account for all the errors and fix all the errors with the help of our reports, and only then you can move on to the tax report. Otherwise, you will have errors in the tax report. So go to the tax report, click tax report, and on this page, you will have to select your country. If you select your country, then you will have pre-selected all our recommended settings, and you don't have to do anything in here unless you want to customize your report. But again, we have pre-selected the recommended settings for you. In our case, it is Germany, and we simply scroll down and click Generate a new tax report now. Within seconds, as you see, we have our tax report, and you will see your first numbers here. And then if you click Load Report, you will see a more detailed calculation of all the numbers. You can scroll down and see everything in very detail, but we will not do that now. We just simply click download tax report. For here we see some more options for the export. Also, you have the option to export as PDF or Excel, and then you have your tax report generated. If you have any open questions, please leave them down in the comments below. And if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.